Welcome back to Bloody Knuckles Garage. Some of you have been asking me, what is going on with your back seat? Well, let's take a look in here. That's where the seat was. This lifts up. I mean, this is a pretty cool thing you put together here, and it's all like wired in there with some stuff. And over on this side, this folds over, I think, like that. And then the seat, oh God, oh yeah. Anyway, oh you bastard, hang on. And on this side, the seat is still there. But I don't really have need for the box. I'd rather have a seat. Headrests also have DVD players. That's pretty sweet. I know that one works. This one, I think, is a wiring issue. I'm going to have to check down there, see what's going on. Now, to take these out, it does look like he's got it connected with some couple of bolts there, and I'm not sure what else is going on. I'm going to try to save all this wiring and stuff, because there's this handy-dandy little thing you put together. I might mount that in a separate box behind the seats, because if you look in the back, got these drawers. These are pretty handy. Look at these little things. There's all kinds of treasure in there and Hot Wheels and stuff. So take a look at that as well. Well, lucky day. Good news, kids. The studs are still there to mount everything. So you might be able to get all this back in there. That would sure be handy. Alright, it looks like the hardest part in all of this was just trying to find nuts, since they appear to be 12 millimeter threads on them. So, now that we got those, we just need to fasten them in, and we'll have a working back seat again. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.